Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As today I'm going to summarize the poem, which is The River, right? And we are going to um, deal with the exercises of this poem, okay? So here we'll summarize what we have seen and what a thought came into your mind, that what do you think why this poem has been taken or has been taught to you, okay? So the rivers is compared as a wanderer or nomad and tramp because they don't have any kind of aim in their life. They just move, goes on here and there without any aim, without any purpose. So that is the reason river is compared to this wanderer, nomads and a tramp. They never set their camp anywhere to have some rest. They always moves on. They always goes on. Okay. The rivers also compared as a window, it twists and turns wherever they don't find any kind of way to move on. They always find another way. They twist and turns and they just come to a flow, keeps on going. The river's a hoarder. The poet compares the river as a hoarder because it accumulates all the things, whatever come in their way, to deep down. Okay, उसको बरी कर लेता है, like अपने अंदर समा लेता है deep down in the river. Reverse is also compared as a baby, right? Reverse is also compared as a baby because it makes a sound so like a happy baby when he sucks his thumb. He sucks his thumb. So just like that, a happy sound made by the river, and it gurgles, and that is the reason it is compared as a baby who sucks his thumb. The river's a singer as he dances along, the countryside echo the notes of his song. Yes, whenever in a very silent area or in the hillside or in the forest or anywhere, it makes some kind of sound which echoes, and it feels like river sings, and it also dances when it twists and turns from the way. But at last, the poet tells that the rivers also act as a monster. Yeah, when जब वो river it behaves very badly when something bad to happen, or something when something happened to it, it just behaves like a monster because in that he didn't care about the humans or whatever the things coming in their way. It gobbles and swallow everything what it comes in its way. So this is how the river is compared to the people, to the nature of the humans, to the what it does. Okay, and in this we can say that river is mostly compared as a human, that how humans are behaving, how they do, how the things they do. तो ये सारी चीज़ें, it is all means all things are compared to a human. The river is already compared with the human's behavior, nature, and what human does. Okay, so this is all about the poem summary. Now we'll see the exercises of this poem appreciation. Okay, fill in the blanks to bring out the literary merit in the poem. Whatever the devices used in this poem, we say इसमें कौन सी तरह, जैसे we are using what is sentence, what kinds of sentence. तो just like that also in poem some of the devices are used. वो तरीका यूज़ किया जाता है पोएम को स्पेशलाइज करने के लिए. तो उसी को वी विल सी एंड विल फाइंड द एग्जाम्पल एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन टू. First, we'll see here personification. What is this personification? So, personification means human qualities. Okay, to compare something to human qualities. Okay, जैसे इस पोएम में रिवर को ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज से कंपेयर किया गया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रिवर इज़ लाइक वैंडरर्स, नोमैड्स और ट्रैम्प, है ना. बिकॉज एज द रिवर ट्रैवल्स फ्रीली, एक्सप्लेनेशन इसका ये होगा, द रिवर ट्रैवल्स फ्रीली विदाउट एनी एम, हेयर एंड देयर, without any aim. तो इसीलिए we'll say that river is like wanderers, nomads and tramp. तो personification का मतलब ये है कि ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज़ को कंपेयर किया जाता है टू द नॉन ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज़, ओके, like the river and the man. Imagery. What is this imagery? Second one. So imaginary is that when we use our five senses to imagine things. Whenever the poet says or someone when says, we used to imagine that, है ना, उस चीज़ को सोचने लगते हैं. When we close our eyes, और जो चीज़ सुने हम लोग उस चीज़ को imagine करना when we close our eyes or something. So that is like called imagery. And in this poem we will see the river how wanders through valley and hills, how it twists and turns, है ना. Explanation इसका ये होगा, the movement of the river twists and turns and cannot be still. Means how it moves through the ways where they don't find any way to move on. They twist and turns and they cannot be still at one place. So this can be the imagery, and you can also close your eyes and you can imagine how it twists and turns. Next one is metaphor. What is this metaphor? Metaphor is like something which is compared but they are not actually same. कुछ चीज़ को compare किया जा रहा है but they are not actually same. Just like river with the baby, dancer, singer, destroyer, है ना. रिवर को कंपेयर किया क्या ना, एज अ वैंडरर, एज अ विंडर, एज अ होडर, एज अ बेबी, एज अ डांसर, एज अ सिंगर और एज अ डिस्ट्रॉयर. तो रिवर को इन सब चीज़ों से कंपेयर किया गया. तो ये एग्जाम्पल हो गया इसका. और एक्सप्लेनेशन ये होगा दैट हाउ इट मूव्स. वैंडर अगर इसके लिए यूज़ कर रहा है रिवर के लिए, तो हाउ इट मूव्स फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस विदाउट एनी एम. कलेक्टर मीन्स हाउ इट कलेक्ट ऑल द थिंग वॉट इट कम्स in its way. And destroyer, just like monster, it can gobble everything what will come in its way. So this can be the metaphor. Repetition means the things which is repeated, the word which is repeated again and again in a para or in a poem. The word which is repeated again and again, they are called to be repetition. Example, the word the river is repeated here na, the river, the river, the river, which is repeated again and again. तो example इसका ये होगा. And explanation ये to give emphasis to the subject. तो मीन्स रिवर के बारे में हर वक्त एक मीन्स टू गिव मोर इम्पॉर्टेंस टू द रिवर, सो दैट वी हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड रिवर फॉर द रिपीटेशन. ओके, तो रिपीटेशन का ये हो गया, विच द वर्ड विच इज रिपीटेड अगेन एंड अगेन. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज सिमिली. Simile is also used to compare things, okay, and they will always start with the means they will always add it with the word like or as to compare. तो उनका word ये होता है like और as to compare, तो they are said to be simile. तो example इसका ये होगा, the river is like a baby. okay, तो the river is like a baby, और इसका explanation ये होगा that how it happily sucks, how it happily makes some sound, gurgles and all. So this will be the explanation, and the example will be the word the river is like a baby, है ना, the river is like a wanderer. तो metaphor and simile दोनों एक ही जैसा साउंड करता है. एक मीन्स दोनों में ये चीज़ है कि they are not actual thing, they are not the similar thing, but एक है जो बताएगा कि it is a wander. ओके, द रिवर इज अ वैंडर. बट एक ये होता है कि द रिवर इज लाइक अ वैंडर, वो एक उसकी तरह वैंडर की तरह है वो. तो सिमिली और मेटाफोर में ये हो गया डिफरेंस. नाउ लेट्स सी द लास्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टू कंप्लीट द समरी ऑफ द पोएम. ओके, the river is given human qualities in the poem. As a wanderer, it, what will be the answer? It moves from place to place. Sometimes it can be a dash, it can be a dash and has to beg as it flows along. Sometimes it can be a tramp, okay, sometimes it can be a tramp and has to beg as it follows along. As it does not stay long in the same place, it does not set its turn anywhere. Okay, camp as it does not stay long in the same place and it does not set its camp anywhere. While flowing, it twists and it will be very simple, it is very simple, turns. It twists and turns through his valley, through hills and valley, like any hoarder. It accumulates or it buries down, you know, whatever treasure it come across. It sometimes gurgles like a baby. When it does this, it makes gurgling sound. However, the river can be a monstrous too, for it swallow people who fall into it. So this is all about the summary. We have completed the summary. Again, I will tell the answer. First one will be the moves, second champ, third camp, fourth turns, fifth buries down, sixth gurgling, seventh monstrous, and the eighth one will be the swallow. Okay, so this is all about the exercises. I have explained all the things. Go through the poem and please prepare a summary that will help you, and read about the poet Valerie Bloom. So guys, please watch the video again if you have any kind of problem and find out the word meanings which are hard for you. So bye everyone.